If you are holding Solana, what is your price projection? Okay, so in this very bull market, I am expecting Solana to do very massively that it did in the last bull market. And I'm going to show you that with a simple technical and a little on-chain analysis in this very video. So if you are a Solana investor or you are holding Solana for a long time in this very bull market, this video is for you. So definitely watch this video to the very end. If you are new to this channel, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, day trading strategy to make you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe and turn on the bell notification for more videos like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos, educational content and day trading strategies. So right here on this very chart, this is Sol USDT and I am on the 1 month chart. If you look at this very price movement in the last bull market, you see this very price started from the month of August in 2020. Okay, so this was before the market pump after the halving. Okay, so the Bitcoin halving happened around May and June, if I still get it correctly, and then afterward the market begin to consolidate right here before we see the market begin to pump to the upside. So from what we have already, which is a previous data of what Solana did in the last bull market in 2021, what are we expecting for this very bull market in 2024 and 2025? This is very important for all Solana holders and investors. So if you want to really understand what Solana is going to do and the price target, a little on-chain analysis is important right here on CoinMarketCap. So if you look at CoinMarketCap before this very year 2024 and even before Solana was listed or after it listing in 2020 into 2021, it was not the fourth coin on the market capitalization. So if you look at it, BNB was taking this very position, but right now Solana is ranked the fourth out of all 9,338 active cryptocurrencies listed on CoinMarketCap. This is very massive, as at this month, this is August 2021, Solana was not at this very position on the market capitalization. This is very important, and this is also a game changer for Solana right now. If you look at this coin is ranked the 6th by volume 24-hour, okay, out of the same active cryptocurrency on CoinMarketCap, and it has a limited supply, which the circulating supply right now is 444 million, and the total supply is 573 million. Okay, so this is very important. Now we know that Solana is one of the booming ecosystem right now. So the Solana blockchain is booming right now. A lot of projects is either migrating or listing their coin on the Solana blockchain. This is very important, and this call also for massive adoption for Solana in the ecosystem for developers. So this is a game changer, but I am not basing this very analysis on chain. Okay, if you look at what we have on the chart, technically you see that the market moved drastically right at this point in the month of February 2021. Then afterward we see the market begin to move to the upside into this very area of $255 per Solana in the last bull market. So what do you think the market or the Solana you are having or you are holding in your portfolio right now is going to do in this very bull market? So if you take this very long position too and place this where we see the market start moving at this very point from this very bottom, from this very area we see the market move upward into this very point. So this is where we see the market move into, and if you look at it very well, the market move from this very area into this very point. This is about 2,775%. Okay, that is from this very area around $8 per Solana into this very area of $255 per Solana. Then the market dipped right down in 2022 and 2023, and then later 2023 the market began to move to the upside again, which is very important. So how much will this do in this very bull market? Now, if you look at this very analysis, it discovered that this very movement happened before the Bitcoin halving in 2020. So the Bitcoin halving in 2020 occurred within May and June. I can't get that very correctly right now, but afterward the market moved upward after the halving. Now, if you look at this very chart, the market has moved significantly before the halving, and this is strictly because of what we are seeing in the Solana ecosystem and followed by massive adoption. Now, if you look at technical analysis only, it is called that the market has moved significantly before the halving, which is a game changer on this very coin. And the people, if you are holding this very token, it is very important you watch this video to the very end. And if you take this from the bottom where we see this significant increase in the price of Solana, that was October 2023, you see the market move upward. So where is this market going to go? So let's assume that the market is going to do the same as it did in the last bull market, that is 2,775%. Okay, so if we take the same two and measure from this very area where we see the first move in Solana, the first significant move on this very price chart, the 1 month to the upside, and this was October 2023. So if we take this very long tool and place it at this very point and move this into 2,775%, it is called that this market is going to do something very, very aggressive in this very bull market. So if you look at it right here, market is going to move all the way into the $811 level to $1,000. Okay, this is my own personal price projection. Right now Solana is trading at $197 per Solana. I am expecting the market to move into the $811 and $1,000 per Solana in this very bull market. So if you are holding Solana for a long time in this very bull market, then you have to watch this carefully, because this market is going to pump right away into this very area. So my least expectation for Solana in this very bull market is for the market to hit $811 above. That is the least. Okay, and from this very area, when market hit this very price level, you can be thinking about collecting profit at this very price target. So this is what you need to pay attention to and monitor if you are holding Solana. This is a very big gain if you have been holding Solana right from this very area in October 2023. And right now is not a wrong time to buy Solana. You can still jump into Solana right now for the massive movement that is yet to come in the market. So this is very important for all Sol holders. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification for more updates like this. Also check the channel for other crypto videos, educational content, and technical analysis. If you have not registered on Binance, OKX, KuCoin, and Bybit, check the description of this video right now. You see the links, and register right now and claim all the bonuses. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.